@use imports a real separate SCSS files, variables, and rules into another, letting you split one huge style sheet into genuine organized files. In this video you'll build a real-to-file project. The leading underscore genuinely marks this as a real Sass partial. It won't compile to its own separate CSS file. @use genuinely imports the real underscore colors.scss partial. Its variables are accessed with the real colors namespace prefix. A leading underscore marks a real SCSS file as a partial, not compiled on its own. @use genuinely imports another real file's variables and rules. Imported variables are accessed through the real file's namespace prefix. Split one real SCSS file into two partials and @use them together. Ready to package a group of real, reusable style rules.